Hello, my name is Fabiola Valadez. I am currently an infant education coordinator working in Santa Clara County. One of the CalTrin's trainings I took was Supervising for Success. During this training, I learned a lot about how to be an active listener, um, how to listen and ask those open-ended questions to better understand the individual, how to coach, how to paraphrase, um, and coaching necessarily doesn't mean you have all the answers, but you're guiding the person to the correct answer. A lot of the things I also learned was how the generation that you are born in kind of affects your work ethic because of so many things you have experienced during your lifetime. So that really opened up my eyes to kind of better understand are my younger staff or older staff or the staff that are the same age as myself. I've also kind of learned about how different styles of learning there are within our workers, how to communicate effectively, and how to delegate work as well. Overall, it was a very good training where I learned a lot how to work with my staff, work with my peers in order to build a successful working environment for all.